30 minutes na bus ride galing Tacloban City. So bumaba ako dito sa may Ada Tupaglas, Maguindanao. Hintayin ko lang si Jeff, yung guide na contact ko. Same last time. Isa rin yung guide ko nung namasyal ako ng La Palmera.
A few moments later.
Abot-abot pa rin yun. Oo.
Pero pag lalo pa na,
Hindi na nasa. Buti sa inyo walang luna.
meron dito sa taas.
Meron din.
Pero yung mga illegal.
Illegal lang?
Oo.
Small scale naman.
Pero nakakasira talaga ng bundok kasi yung ilog galing doon.
Pati yung guide ko, ma'am. Ako lang, mag-isa lang. Sige. Halos 2 taon na hindi ko nakita yung La Palmera. Yun. Ganda pa rin eh. So buti may mga bisita ngayon kasi nung dinala mo ko dito, ako lang. Kasi pag-alala ko Lunes. Oo. Ganda pa rin talaga. Oh. Ay, may sunog doon. Konti. Brown yung mga damo.
Mahina pa rin sa pag dito sa baba, wala na.
Nakarating ka na ba dyan? Hindi ako makareply nun.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And so again, it's my second time dito sa La Palmera, and gano'n. Yan, same feeling. Amazed sa kagandahan ng La Palmera Mountain Ridge. So same guide, yung guide ko rin last time, si Jeff, tsaka si Mano. So kung gusto nyong mamasyal ng La Palmera, yan, check nyo lang yung FB page niya. Pwede nyo siyang i-contact as a guide. Popost ko na lang later sa screen. So pwede rin mag-overnight dito sa La Palmera Mountain Ridge. So umaabot ng hanggang 1.5 yung range. So pag day tour lang naman, entrance fee is 100 pesos per head. And so buti na lang kahit medyo malaki yung sakop ni Typhoon Uwan. Medyo binabagyo ngayon ang Luzon at medyo reach niya pa. Abot pa niya itong Mindanao. Umambon kanina, so akala ko hindi ako makapagpalipad ng drone. So buti na lang nag-okay siya. And so again, amazing La Palmera Mountain Ridge. Taga Davao pa. Ha?
Kakain sa baba.
Ay, may mga bisita rin.
May mga bato na.
Yan, 45 minutes na motor ride from La Palmera. Andito na kami sa may entrance ng Pangadilan Falls. So same pa rin yung entrance fee way back January 2024. 50 pesos pa rin yung entrance fee. So tingnan natin kung may pagbabago ba ang Pangadilan Falls. Oo.
Parang accredited drone pilot ang pinupost niya.
Pag may specific type of drone kasi yata na ano eh. Mga bata.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Like nung last visit ko, January 2024, halos walang tao nandito, pero this time, since Sunday, marami tayong nakasabayan na turista. And maganda rin yung kulay ng tubig. And so mas inuna ko ng mag-drone shot kasi yun, mukhang uulan na. Tsaka kailangan na rin makaualis agad. Kasi again, rough road yung daan papasok dito. Kaya baka mahirapan yung habal-habal o yung mga sasakyan ng mga turista pumupunta dito. So maliligo pa sana, kaya lang yun nga. Mukhang uulan na. So magiging problema later yung pag-alis dito dahil magiging maputik yung daan. And so buti na lang talaga umalis na kami dun sa Pangadilan kanina. Kung hindi, basang-basa pa kami, tapos putik na yung daan. Lakas na ng ulan.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.